Japan Dyno, the best of Japan to you. Howdy, this is Andy of Japan Dyno, and I have for you an HKS 45 3 meter U-Atsu U-on Sui-on sensor set. So it's a HKS gauge or meter set. These are the 45 millimeter diameter gauges, the 45 gauges by HKS, a performance and tuning company here in Japan. And the four gauges are the oil temp, the oil pressure, and the water temp. In good working condition. You can see here that the gauges themselves are nice and tidy. Around the outside, the Mickey, as it's called in Japanese, the Mickey is peeling a little bit, as you might be able to notice there. So the silver around the outside, the Mickey, a few little marks on the Mickey itself, but the gauges are nice and tidy. And in good working condition, the overall shot here, you can see the unit that they're installed in. I think this is a little homemade panel that's been made to fit in the radio cluster area, and these are the three little sensors here, all in good working condition, fantastic working condition when removed. And we'll just run through close-ups of the gauges themselves. So here, the oil pressure and the water. You can see again where the Mickey is peeled, and the other side, the oil temp. Again, the oil temp, a little mark in the bottom there. I'll just bring the zoom down a little bit. That little mark there. But the gauges or the meters themselves in great working condition. And we had tested the two temperature gauges, as we're able to test those with the cigarette lighter there. And you can see that the water temperature gauge fully functioning. So testing the water sensor there, water temperature gauge fully functioning, and likewise the oil temperature gauge fully functioning too. There we're testing the sensor, and the water temperature gauge is working. So in great working condition. The oil pressure gauge, of course, working when we removed it from the vehicle, unable to test with it without being installed in the vehicle, but in 100% working condition. You can see the three sensors here and the three gauges. So HKS 45 millimeter gauges or meters from the HKS company of Japan, made in Japan, from Japan. Thank you. In order to serve you better, we have our website at www.japandyno.com, as well as our blog, the Japan Dyno Daily Fix, where we feature items of special interest. Look forward to seeing you there.